Despite being around for several years, the IM process is still often misunderstood. So here are the top 3 myths busted. At number 3, invitation to tender is only for construction contracts. The IM process includes steps such as invitation to tender and tender response. But the term tender is used in its widest sense and applies throughout the asset lifecycle. So while it does include appointments that relate to construction works, goods, or services, it also applies to design services, manufacturing, asset management, and facilities management, for example. In second place, the delivery phase comes before the operational phase. If asset owners want the information needed during the operational phase to be handed over at the end of the delivery phase, then they need to start with the end in mind. This means they need to know what information they need to operate and maintain their assets, which are currently outputs of the IM process during the operational phase. And at number 1, the most common myth is that the IM process aligns with the PM process. The information management process may look like a linear process, but I've seen too many failed attempts to align it with the project management process. There are several reasons why they are different, but the main reason is that steps 2 to 7 of the IM process are repeated for each appointment, which means it looks more like this.